Hi, in this video I will show you how to know who share your post on the Facebook. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to see who shared your post on the Facebook, simply follow this procedure. If you are looking this feature on the Facebook mobile application, then you won't get this feature on the Facebook mobile application. Only you can see who shared your post on the browser of mobile, or you can simply log into your web browser. So simply you have to open your browser, any browser and you are using, and log into your account on your Facebook. And once you will do it, select your any post and you will see share options here. Simply you have to tap on the share button here and you will see all the list of the people who shared this post like this. So in this way you can see shares of any post who share your post on the Facebook. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.